So I'm just jumping right into it. You know how I do. I'm doing a beginner-friendly eyebrow tutorial. When I do my eyebrows, I never start right in the front. I start where I just froze the video at. Now this part, it doesn't have to be done perfectly because you're going to go back in with your concealer, and that's where the shaping comes from. That's the important part. So on here, don't even worry about trying to make the shape perfect. Now if you're trying to get the faded look in the front, you don't apply your product on your eyebrows as dark when you're on the front part, but I'm taking a spoolie and I'm fading mine out a little bit more because I don't like mine to be bold. Now some people use a brush to apply their concealer, but I like to use the end of my LA Pro Girl concealer because to me it comes on easier and it's smoother. That's just my opinion. It's easier for me because I've tried to do it with a brush too, and it made a big difference to me. And it may look like my eyebrow is going to be long. Now, if I did both of them on camera, you will understand what I'm saying. I'm going to do another video doing that. But I apply my foundation in between my eyebrows anyway, so they won't be as close or they won't look like a faded unibrow when I'm done. But this is just the eyebrow tutorial, so you won't get to see that. I don't really use a super bright concealer above my eyebrows. If I use a bright one under my eyebrow, okay, but when I get to the top, I want something more closer to my skin tone because I don't like the white line up there, or I don't prefer the white line, but you know, to each its own. Now I'm just going through fixing that little line I messed up, and now you can see what I was saying as far as my foundation in the middle. That's all it takes to do your eyebrows. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.